What's up, guys? So today I have another niche for you, but before I do that, I'm gonna show you how I go about finding a best niche. So first I go to the Amazon bestsellers. You just go to Amazon, you just click on bestsellers here, bestsellers, and you just select books, craft, hobbies, and how, and coloring book for grown-ups. So basically these are the medium content niches that are being popular. So when I search this time, there are very curse words. As you can see, these are curse words. These are the bestsellers, mind you, the adult content, right? So I'm just going to use that and guide. I'm just going to let it guide me. So this is also a curse word book. So I just thought I just go to kdprank.com and I just go to one of their tool. I just go to kdprank.com and I just go to their magnet tool. So I just press tools and there are many tools, but magnet tool. By the way, this is free to download, so just go to kdprank.com and just download it. So I searched for the swear word coloring book. So it gave me many suggestions. So one of the suggestions is, like, for example, this is just the swear word, and another one is, this is interesting, this is the adult horse coloring book. So I thought, let me just go with that. So I end up with this niche. So the horse coloring book for adults, horse coloring books for girls ages 8 to 12. So this is a niche that I ended up with. So as you can see, there are many books that are selling well here. So the horse coloring book, people are in love with horses, coloring horses. So these are making a lot of money. So let me show you how much people are making here. So I use KD Spy here. So as you can see, $14,000 one book is making, $11,000, $9,000. So people are making thousands of dollars every single month on Amazon using this niche. So how can you get the interiors for this for free? So I just go to kdpdownload.com. I just go to kdpdownload.com. For this interiors, I just go to kdpdownload.com and search for my horse coloring book. So as you can see, there are many results. They are pricey, but you can download all of this for free. As you can see, you can download all of this for free. You just go to kdpdownload.com, search for your niche, and just download this. So as a bonus and as a giveaway, I'm gonna give you something here. I'm just gonna give you one thing here. So you can download any of this for free and just have an interior for that. So I just go to kdptips.com to download your free bestsellers guide. I wrote this book a year ago, I think. So just download this and have fun with this one. You just download. So this is it, guys. This is the Amazon bestseller. This is how I go about it usually. I just use KDP rank and just go from there. So have fun with this niche, guys. Have fun with this one.